Okay, we're going to do another quick how-to, as a lot of people seem to put it on the forums. So we're going to change the clutch ratchet, which does the adjustment, doesn't it, Dale?
Mm-hmm.
Does the adjustment. So we're going to show you this. Obviously this is out the car because we've had to take the pedal box and everything out the car. But the only difference is you'll have the bulkhead this side here where I'm on.
But you just you'll pull the arm off.
Yeah,
anyway.
but you'll pull the arm off anyway. Okay. So take pin out. Okay. Pull the ratchet out.
Before we take the pull out. And put a new one in.
So which piece is that now?
The pull.
The pull. Alright.
Do you get a new spring with the new kit?
No. Of course not. Of course not. So that's the pull bit, new one in.
Spring on there. It's just fiddly more than anything else. Going in now.
It's the same one?
Yeah, same one. There you go.
Push it through.
And then
now, if I remember rightly, this is an 11mm socket.
yeah, 11.
And you just push that through. You line up the hole.
Before I do that, keep space on that side. It's cold, by the way.
Yes, it is very, very cold, and we're struggling to feel our fingers and our toes at the moment.
Come on.
Okay, and that pushes through. Then you put your other spacer on.
There we go.
Okay, then to put it back on the car, or back on the pedal box, should I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, spacer there.
Yours is not right.
And then what I'll do, I'll just film it from here, because basically what then happens is the socket then comes out.
Glove stuck.
Just like that.
Apparently no one can do it because they're really hard.
And that is the ratchet changed. Obviously it is going to be slightly harder when it's in the car because you're sort of on your hands and knees and things like that, but that is basically how you do it. Obviously it's all back on, so that split pin holds everything together. And that's the clutch ratchet. Okay, we're just gonna, carrying on from that, if you're gonna put this on the car, this is how you do it, okay? So Dale's gonna explain.
Yeah.
Okay, ready, Dale?
So that, obviously that'll be in your car, yeah? Put your clutch cable underneath that, yeah?
Yeah, underneath.
Through the hole. But obviously you'll do it, you won't do it for me, you'll be doing it from...
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'll just show you. And then you push it onto your thing like that, yeah?
Yeah.
For argument's sake. Right, so that's there, yeah?
Yep.
Pull your pedal up with your bottom 2 fingers.
Of your left hand, this is,
Your
guys.
left hand, yeah. So you disengage the pull at the top, look, you see up here, Mike, isn't it? When you pull the pedal up, look, see it coming?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah? You pull that with them 2. You push it with your thumb, yeah?
Yep.
And then with your fingers here, see it, yeah?
Yep.
Hold it to the back.
Yep.
And then you'll pull that cable through. It won't be that, it'll be like that. And then you'll use your thumb to push it in there, and then you let go, and then ratchet up.
And then
That's
we'll
it.
just show you the ratchet piece.
That should be under there as well.
And that should also be, make sure
Yeah,
it's underneath.
That'll be sat there somewhere.
Yeah, make sure it's underneath this cable and not on the top of this, because it'll eventually wear and it'll snap the cable when you're doing it. And that is how you do a clutch ratchet from start to finish.